We need not make an effort to attain death. It comes to us very naturally. We need to make an effort to attain jnana or self-knowledge.
We only change but don't get decayed due to death.
Materialistic progress is transient, whereas spiritual progress is permanent.
Even Kali Yuga, or the Dark Age, is Krita Yuga, or the Golden Age, for spiritually progressing people.
Patience and proficiency are required to learn the spiritual science.
Though spiritual progress may be invisible to the eyes, it is perceivable by the heart.
A society's spiritual progress is as important as its financial prosperity. Character building is the foundation for spiritual progress.
Though we may live in society, we must keep our hearts far away from society.
If an individual is reformed, society is reformed automatically. Without the reformation of the individual, how can society be reformed?
Dedicating one's activities to the welfare of society constitutes selfless work.
Try to help society, but do not expect anything in return.
Mahatmas or holy people distribute their peace and radiance to the society.
Only he is a hero who has crossed the ocean of worldliness.
He who is wicked leads a selfish life only for himself. He who is holy lives for the sake of others.
రమణుని రూపం రమణుని నామం అమృతపానం రమణుని నామం అమృతపానం